Hi, third graders. You probably already read The Giant Heart. You worked on figuring out some of those signal words and underlining the events and then putting the events in order. Now, this is the answer key to the back page, okay? So let's take a look. On the back page, the question was, which is the best synonym for chamber in paragraph 3 as it's used in this review? And some of the options were bedroom, blood vessel, enclosed space, and a tunnel. You should have answered C, enclosed space, and then the text that kind of helped you was the next sentence. It used the words actually enclosed space, which is a clue. So if you wrote that down, give yourself an M for question 1 if you answered C and you were able to write those details down. Okay, if you did not, go along, pause the story if you need to, and make sure you're following along and writing down the clues. You may not give yourself an M though if you did not do it on your own, so you can give yourself a P, or if you still don't understand it, give yourself a D. Okay, so again, pause the story or pause this video if you need to kind of catch up with number 1. Okay, number 2. What did the class do after walking through the giant heart? Did they visit the gift shop? Did they crawl through the atrium? Did they listen to the heart beating, or did they look at other displays about the heart? The answer is D. Okay. One in the text helped you answer this question. In the 4th paragraph, the writer said they did this. Okay. If you wrote something like this, but it didn't exactly say this, give yourself an M if you were able to do it without me giving you the answers. If you're following along, pause the video and go ahead and answer that question. Okay, you'll give yourself a P though. We are going to move on to question number 3. What helped draw the students' attention to the giant heart? Okay, if you want to pause and try to answer that to see if you can get an M, go ahead and pause the video, go back and do a close read and try that, but I am going to show you the answer now. The first thing they noticed was the loud heartbeat sound. So if you have something like that, give yourself an M if you have that detail for number 3. And then number 4 says, think about your own heartbeat. Why do you think the writer wrote the sound la-dub? If you want to try that question out, go back and answer that question on your own, pausing the video. But I'm going to give you that answer right now. You could write something like this. It doesn't have to be exactly like this, but you could write something like, my heart feels like it beats in a pattern of a soft lub, and then a harder dub. So that might be what the author meant. Okay, it doesn't have to be exactly like that, but if you write about something like that, about your own heart kind of having that sound, give yourself an M. If you want to copy that down and you understand kind of where we got it after you're writing it down, give yourself a P. If you don't understand how you would figure that out, give yourself a D. Now that it's scored, I'm going to have you take that home.